Ready to welcome the elephants to Zinave is park manager Bernard van Lent.
There hasn't been grazers for maybe 40 plus years, which has resulted in the vegetation actually becoming quite overgrown. Although it looks beautiful, it lessens diversity. Diversity is very much stimulated by disturbance, and that disturbance is generally caused by animals.
While these elephants have destroyed their current habitat, their destructive nature is a welcome necessity to Zinave.
It's quite important for us to bring stuff like the grazers, the buffalo, the zebra, and then particularly elephant, which is a well-known habitat changer. They come in, they push over trees, the trees rot, it opens up spaces where new saplings can grow, new seed can come.
There is one more thing they do that really helps the ecosystem.
Of course, they create dung. The dung attracts beetles, flies, which in turn attracts birds, small predators. In terms of getting the ecology functioning the way it should, elephants is one of the prime species we're trying to get back into Zinave.